All right, let's break down this simple script and see what makes code really scalable.
This quote pretty much says it all, right? It's our perfect starting point.
So what does this little script do? Simple. It counts how often words appear.
So, what makes this simple script so well designed? Let's dig in and find out.
First principle, use great tools. And the first clue, it's right at the top.
See these? They're powerful libraries that do all the heavy lifting for us.
This isn't just about saving time. It's a critical choice for building efficient code.
Next up, separation of concerns. Notice how the core logic is packed into a function.
This is key. The what it does is separate from the how you run it.
This small habit is what lets you build much bigger systems that don't break. Okay, principle 3. Before you count anything, you gotta clean up the input first.
First, everything becomes lowercase, so simple and simple are treated as the same word.
Then, it uses a pattern to grab only the words, throwing away any punctuation.
And get this, those two big jobs, cleaning and extracting, are done in one single line.
So, what's the big takeaway here? It's that these small choices add up. And this isn't just a Python thing. This is what good engineering looks like, period. These principles are how you turn messy code into something clean, predictable, and scalable.
So where does this all lead? It lets you start tackling much bigger problems.
And that's the bottom line. Master the small stuff, and you're ready for the big stuff.